What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Tony the Realtor. On today's show, we are going to take a look at a DMCO remodeling special. I wanted to show this sign because of how great of a job they did. Really quick, if you want to follow me this way, guys, I want to start off with the outside of the house. We are in Berwyn, Illinois. Now, if you're familiar with the Berwyn, Illinois, Cicero, Illinois area, you know that a lot of the houses around here get water when it rains really bad. So this builder, what they did was they put drain tile out here on the outside, and you have drain tile downstairs on the inside, making this house really nice and less worrisome to have. So follow me this way. We're gonna go inside, okay? These stairs, they're wood, but they're oak. Oh, actually, no, they're not oak, they're cedar. These are cedar, a cedar deck here, and we have a cedar deck in the back. So now let's go inside. This is wild. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Okay, right when you walk in, you have a nice accent wall. Beautiful accent wall, very modern design. And if you come in this way, you will see this beautiful mantle. Let me put this down really quick. Okay, we'll put it like this so everybody can actually see the sign. But they have this beautiful mantle. The TV comes with the house. That's nice. At $699,000, not only do you have a very well-built house, which we'll get into more, but there's two TVs in the house, one here and one in the basement. They're gonna leave this behind for you guys, whoever is gonna buy it. Okay, now, another thing that I wanna mention here, all the corners in the house, okay, all these corners are all rounded. As a matter of fact, it would be very difficult for you to find a corner in the house that was actually a 90-degree angle, because one of the big features of the property is that they are rounded, okay? I love these. These are shelves, built-in shelves. You have a nice built-in fireplace here. You know, it's one of those fireplaces with the remote. And you have a space right here for your sound bar, okay? Sound bar. So when we came in, I showed you the accent wall, but there's something else that you guys need to see. Normally you have like a welcome mat, right? Down here below, we have a welcome tile. That's a really nice addition, okay? We have this wall, very nice. We have this LED light, and it's attached here, or it's hanging from something called a floating ceiling. As you can see, the ceiling is separated from the ceiling above it, making it a floating ceiling. Another really beautiful detail of the property, okay? These ceilings are 9 feet high. In a bungalow in Berwyn, usually you don't see 9 feet. This is beautifully done with 9 feet. As you can see, we have a special inlay detail over here with the ceiling, along with can lighting for the entire length of the property. On this floor, you're also gonna see 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. First, we're gonna come this way to the dining room area. Now, this is a nice addition. Of course, you have a dining room area. They could have just left it open, but putting this light strategically here allows this open concept space to give you a nice centralized location to put your table. I really like that. I really like it. It's beautiful. And plus, you'll see the black and the brown color scheme throughout the house, which I thought was really nice and modern. It's a nice difference from your regular white, gray, and black that you see in a lot of the other rehabs, okay? I think that's kind of phasing out. The floors in here are beautiful. They're white oak floors, okay? Again, these are white oak floors, and what you see outside for the decks are cedar, but white oak, very nice. Okay, these cabinets are wood as well. Beautiful job on the cabinets, okay? Beautiful job on the color. The mechanics too of it, when you close it, they take their time to close. That's beautiful. These black shelves just give it such a really nice modern appeal. I really enjoy it. Now, you'll notice from the profile of what you're seeing right now that we have a nice color scheme going on. We have black handles. We have this nice wood color. We have the black. We have some little gold accents here. We see the repetitive black and gold up here with some really nice fixtures, but also we see that floating ceiling that we saw in the front of the house as well, which gives this kitchen a super modern look, okay? This is a kitchen island. The kitchen island holds a child-proof microwave as well as a dishwasher. So there's your dishwasher right there. So when you're washing dishes, in case stuff gets too wild and you need some assistance, you can use the technology, wash your dishes, and be done, okay? Something I'm seeing in a lot of houses priced over $500,000 is going to be this guy right here. This is meant to fill your pots with water so that you're not having to come over here and do it. It's just a nice, really, really convenient piece here. Another thing that I want to point out that's nice, besides this beautiful, beautiful stove, oven stove, by the way, okay? I 5 burner, I love it. I want you guys to see this. Oh, it's 6 burner technically because of the middle. What I want you to see is this vent right here. It's a hidden vent. If you took a step back and just took a look at the profile of the kitchen, you wouldn't necessarily see the vent. You would just assume that they were cabinets. But they didn't want to do that. They wanted to be extra nice. So they did this. This does vent to the outside. And it's a very, very nice feature, especially at $699,000, okay? A lot of good stuff to talk about in the house, okay? So let's do this. We're gonna go into the first bedroom. We will pass by the kitchen again, but I do wanna show you one of the 2 bedrooms that are in here, okay? Right away when you walk in, LED light, good space, you know, of course, a twin size, full size bed. Your closet here is a decent size as well. And take a look at that window if you could. That's a beautiful window. They could have just put anything in there, but if you get in there and take a look, it's nice. Really, really nice detail to the house. So follow me this way. Before we go to the next room, all of these doors are custom doors. They could have just put any door here, but what they did was they made sure that they customized the door to give it that extra flavor, okay? The other bedroom is down the hall that way. We are gonna go into the bathroom really quick. One of my favorite bathrooms on the channel, okay? Again, with the custom door. Something else I want to point out here is really beautiful light scheme that you got here. Nice long mirror. So if you're short like me or if you're taller, this thing's going to catch you. Really, really nice. Of course, I have to make sure that the water is wet, and it is, okay? This beautiful, it's a beautiful hanging, what do you call them? What do you call them? Say it again?
Floating.
Floating. It's a floating sink. See, my wife's in the background. She's reminding me. It's a floating sink, really nice. And then take a look at this shower. Don't forget, I mentioned to you that the ceilings are 9 feet high. Usually, when people remodel bathrooms, they lower it because it's a shower. This tile, straight up 9 feet in the air. Even the controls, like this is the first time I've seen a control like in front of my face. It's right here. And then they got another one of the shower phones that I like. Hey, how you doing? Are you clean yet? Yes, I am. But anybody, any height can live here. I had a buddy of mine that I showed a house to, and his complaint was, Antonio, how come all the showers are like up to here for him? If he came in here, he would be able to comfortably stand underneath the shower. So anybody, any height can really live here, okay? We're gonna go to bedroom number 2. And I will mention that we are zoned, okay? So this controls the temperature for this floor and the basement. There is a separate system upstairs, okay? Again, cedar of 4. Oh, one more thing I do want to point out. If you can pull back, I'm gonna show you guys. Take a look at this. Even the island is custom. The work that they did here, you don't necessarily normally see that. So that's another beautiful feature that I think we need to point out to the audience, okay? Here is the second bedroom, okay? Really nice second bedroom, large. You can put a full-size bed in here. You can put a queen-size bed in here, I think you could, and you would be absolutely fine. So if you have somebody in the family that can't go upstairs, has trouble with their knees, this is plenty of room for them. And take a look at that closet. Nice wide closet, and even the closet doors are custom. You'll see that this over here matches the same as the doors over here. Super nice, okay? You know, the cabinetry in the refrigerator, you know, I'll show you guys really quick. I should grab myself a water, you know. Nice refrigerator. Slim, spacious ice system is what they call it. Before we go upstairs, I want to show you guys the yard, okay? I had a lot of people in my videos, oh, how come you don't show the yard, Antonio? Well, because it was -3 degrees when I was making, you know, the most recent videos. Now it's a nice 40, 50 degrees and we could show it, okay? This deck is cedar, beautiful, okay? You'll see this color wood along with the black, and then these black rails here make everything just very cohesive, very, very nice. Take a look at the walls here, the way that this brick was painted. Very, very nice and modern again. And then we have these really cool lights. To me, lighting's everything. I love lights. I used to be a photographer, so bada bing, bada boom. And then I will walk down there really quick just to show you guys the yard, okay? You have a 1-car garage over here, okay? If you want to put in your lawnmower, you want to put in your tools, you got that yard there. And then over here, you want to drive your car in here. I mean, you can put 2 cars in here easily, and then you can put, you know, a single car in here. So you think about it, if you have one of those larger, taller trucks and you're worried about it fitting in there, you can very easily probably put even like a carport up here. Probably have to get permission from Berwyn to do it, but this is really nice. And then that gate, I mean, super fantastic, matches the rest of the house. So we are going to go now into the, I think the 2nd floor. Oh, and as a quick little note, on the side of the house right here, they have the AC unit there. You guys can see that, okay? And then of course another gate. So follow me if you want to go head upstairs. I will be right behind you. But this house, DMCO Remodeling, they are for hire. And it's DMCO Remodeling Inc. I think you can Google them, or if you want their information, just drop that question in, you know, on the video, and I'll get you their contact info. Okay. So let's go into bedroom number 3 of the house. Okay. Again, very tasteful LED lighting. We have laminate floors up here. There is a closet behind the door. Okay. Closets, right? Antonio, why don't you show the closets? I did. Where are you looking? Oh, coming up the stairs, you get to see this beautiful, I want to call it modernized chandelier. I like it. And look at the walls. They all have the same theme, that custom walls. Check that out. They could have just left it alone. And look at this banister. Metal, okay? Not plastic, okay? Not plastic, metal. Over here, we passed this by, I want to show it real quick, is we do have a little closet right there. That is, there you go, has a light switch in it. You can turn it on and off. So let me see, so bedroom number 3. So that will make this over here bedroom number 4. Okay, take a look at bedroom number 4. Big bedroom, full-size bed in here is fine. Along with the dresser, you're gonna have plenty of room to live in here. And if you noticed, these gargantuan windows. These windows are gargantuan. My wife likes it when I say the word gargantuan. Right, Bernice? Yeah, she does. Gargantuan windows. Follow me this way, you guys. Okay, now, we're gonna go into the bathroom, okay? This bathroom has a beautiful soaking tub. I like it. We have another floating vanity here, okay? We have a shower that's raised high in the air, so if you're really tall, you'll be okay. Okay. We have really tasteful and fancy LED fixtures over here. Nice place to put your towels, and that water's wet. I guarantee it. Come on in. I want to show you guys something. You can close this door right here, okay? And then go into the primary bath this way, okay? As we walk in, the first thing that you'll notice is these ceilings. I want to call it farm style ceiling because of the trusses that you see up there. I think it's very different. I like it, very nice. It is what signifies that this is the primary bedroom. Aside from that, you have the connection to the that bathroom. You know, you can lock both doors, and now it's a master bathroom. Over here, we have your walk-in closet. Okay, really nice walk-in closet, good size, right? Decent size, and again, the ceilings in here are really high. And then over here, when we came out of the bathroom, we passed by this little area where they are going to install a wine cooler. That's what this thing is right here. They still have to install a wine cooler. So you imagine, you come home from work, you want to relax, you come into your primary bedroom here with the master bathroom, and all of a sudden you open it up and you make yourself a tequila and squirt, rum and Coke, cranberry and vodka, you know, glass of milk, chocolate milk. Follow me this way. We are going to go downstairs now, and man, let me know in the comments, you guys, what you think about this this property. I really like it. It's super modern, and at $700,000, There are other towns near Berwyn where the minute you cross into them, the property taxes double. And the houses at 700,000 are not as modernized as this one. So for me, it's a huge value buy. It's a huge value buy because I know a lot of people in other videos that I've made have mentioned like, oh, 700,000, you know, that's a pretty penny. It is, but in the surrounding areas that we have, people have houses at 700,000 that need about $150,000 of work for updating just to get to the basics of this place. So this place is really nice. Again, metal rails, really wide, so when you bring your furniture in, you have room to actually bring it down the stairs, okay? And you're gonna want to once you come in here, okay? This basement is one of my favorites. Right when you walk in, you have your mechanical room here, okay? What you need to know is that the basement and the first floor are together, and then upstairs it's zoned. So you have two different zones here. That's the mechanical room, okay? Real fancy stuff, right? Over here, this is the other TV I was talking about. This TV comes with the property, okay? You will see egress windows here, but this is like a little theater area. That's why they put the TV here. You put a couch here, and I was gonna say you could put a mini fridge here, which you could, but why would you when you have right down there a wet bar? Oh, not a wet bar, I'm sorry, a bar, okay? Let's go down here really quick. So again, we have these beautiful lights. We have a really wide window here that's gonna let in a lot of natural light. I mean, even now, it's not even that sunny outside. If I turned in all these lights, this place would be illuminated anyway. I believe they said the floor was it epoxy, right? Well, oh, something I will point out about the floor, drain tile in the floor, and oh, what is that? Yeah, drain tile in the floor, and I think they said something about a water system, right? New water line? New water line. Oh, new water line. And the foundation of this house is new. This foundation of this house is new. They did raise it so that they can add a new foundation in here. So again, at 700,000, you're getting all of these fixtures, you're getting all of the custom work, and you're getting a new foundation with drain tile on the inside and on the outside in Berwyn, Illinois, where water can be a problem every once in a while, all right? We have another beautiful custom wall up here. Really nice navy blue with gold handle countertop here. Again, we have what is this? A wine chiller, right? Or a refrigerator, right? So very, very nice. There is another bedroom down here, as you can see. Okay, egress window. You got to have one of those in Berwyn if you want to call this a bedroom. Okay, we are in the basement, so. Yeah, we are in the basement, so you have to have one of those. And we have a nice, beautiful closet right here. It has a light in it, super cool. Okay. And then over here, two more rooms, guys, two more rooms. There is your laundry room. Okay. Here are the washer and dryer. And make sure that when you write your offer, you put in the offer that you want these things included. Okay, have a nice little sink in here so that you can do what you got to do with the socks. You know, the socks are important. And then over here, finally, we have the last bathroom, the last washing of the hands, everybody. Yeah, there it is. So beautiful floating sink. Okay, and actually it's not floating. They got these little feet down there. That's okay. It was close. Okay, we have really nice LED. What is this? Incandescent bulb lights, but it's still very modern. I do like this. I do like the tile job that they did in this bathroom. Again, if you're on the taller side, you're going to be okay. But the finishes in here are just really high quality. The person who did this, the builders told me that the person that did this has a little bit of OCD, so they wanted everything to be perfect. And you know what? It shows, because there is nothing for me to complain about in this property. So if you guys want to see more videos, do me a favor, you can click right over here if you want to see more videos in Berwyn, or if you want to see just my regular channel and all the other videos I have, just click over here, or this big circle in the middle is to subscribe. But thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.